The purview of the pandemic, it has become very essential to know more updates regarding COVID 19. Hence, we require such a platform where we can get all updates in one place. As a result, we have created this app called COVID Aware, which keeps people up to date with latest news regarding COVID 19.
The app fetches the latest COVID-related news articles using the News API. Each article is seamlessly displayed on a web view. This allows the user to read the article online without having to leave the app. Further, users also have an option of saving their favorite article links onto their devices.
Used Koiware as a code-along application to teach Android basics to students during Android study jams, incorporating the various concepts of the course. We are still in the development phase of the application and we want to make it more robust by including unit and instrumentation tests before releasing it on the Play Store.
We are currently improving COVID Aware by rebuilding the user interface using Jetpack Compose and including several features such as allowing the users to interact with the news articles in the form of discussions and also including a COVID-19 case tracker. We are planning to submit our application for this year's solution challenge under the UN SDG 3, that is Good Health and Wellbeing. We thank Google Developers India for recognizing our application.
Hi there, my name is Karthik Pant. I'm a third year BTech student currently looking for summer internships. So all these students, all these people who are in such a phase would kind of relate to me that we put in so many job applications that it becomes hard for us to keep track of them. So this is where application tracker comes into play. The main feature of the app is it allows users to add their job applications with certain statuses. So apart from managing your applications, the app is also responsible for notifying you regularly. So let's say if for a job role you are looking for a referral, then app would notify you every 6 hours. The inspiration of the app comes from the time when I was looking for a job role in a company that I really wanted. So for that I approached several people on LinkedIn for a referral, but no one responded. So in the meantime I also forgot that I haven't yet applied. So that's why I missed the opportunity. So it was a time when I felt that I really need something which can help me in such a situation. So that is where the idea for the app came from. I'm regularly working on making the app more better and by adding new features, fixing the bugs and issues. So all of that is available on GitHub. I just yesterday got the latest version released. And also on Play Store it is in alpha testing. So once everything is done, then I'll be rolling that out for the public. So thank you Google India, thank you Android Study Jam for providing such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Due to digital revolution, the content nowadays is available in hand. Therefore, the time to learn has reduced to 25 to 60% compared to the traditional learning method. So our idea is Quiz, the e-learning platform where you can track your books and courses and also have a better grip of time during learning. So the app has a simple and a user-friendly UI in which the user can navigate and have a track of his or her courses, books, and also a track of his schedule through the calendar in the app, and also schedule meet with educator with Jitsi.
The inspiration behind our app was that we wanted to create a robust learning experience that feels like a classroom, offering the traditional characteristics like doubt solving, Q&As, discussions, quizzes with a user-friendly, simple and intuitive UI. Also to create the level of interaction and the engagement a student needs with an increased learning experience.
We do plan to continue building this solution in order to achieve our main aim, that is to increase the inquisitiveness among students and also to renew the learning time that we originally have in traditional learning.
It is not available yet, but we plan to deploy it on the Play Store in the future after adding different content formats to address learner-specific learning styles like webinars, presentations, simulations, that allowing a variety of teaching styles for every learner and boosting their performance level and knowledge retention levels.
Yes, we surely are considering to submit our solution to the Google Solution Challenge under the topic of quality education, which we recognize as one of the most important factors for sustainable development.
So I'm trying to solve the problem that whenever we go to market, we have to make a big list of grocery items on paper, and it is very cumbersome to handle it. But with the help of grocery store app, you can easily maintain the list and take it anywhere you want and store it as much time span as you want. The key functionality I'm providing through this app is that you can store the list as much as long as you want, and whenever you want to delete the list, you can delete it, and you can add or change the update the item as per your wish. The inspiration behind this app is that I want to make an app that is more user friendly, and that users will feel more familiar with the app. So I thought that grocery store is the best to start with. So I'm thinking to continue on this app, as I'm thinking to provide a feature of share with this app, so you can share the list to your friends through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Instagram, any platform you want.
Yes, we do plan on deploying it on Play Store once we have finished all the functionalities and features that we currently have in our mind. And about solution challenge, we intend to participate in solution challenge with an app that solves a more major problem, since what we have built is more focused on an individual problem rather than a community problem. So yeah, that's about it.